In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and back up your Notion data. Open Notion and make sure you're already signed in. Once you're in, you should be looking at your main dashboard or the page you want to back up first. We'll start with exporting a single page, which is a great way to save important work before making changes. Go to the top right corner of the page and click the three-dot menu. In the drop-down that appears, choose Export. This opens the export window where you can control exactly what gets included in your backup. Click the Export Format drop-down and select HTML. That format is useful because it keeps your content easy to open and review in a browser later. Next, look through the export options. Make sure database views are included, and customize anything you need there based on how you want that page saved. Also check page contents so the actual text and material on the page are part of the export. If your page contains nested pages, and you want those included too, turn on Include Subpages. Once everything looks right, click Export. Notion will download a zip file of that page to your computer. To verify it worked, open your Downloads folder, find the zip file, and extract it. Then open the HTML file inside and quickly review the content. This is a simple way to confirm your backup actually contains what you expect. Now go back to Notion so you can back up the entire workspace. In the left sidebar, click the gear icon for settings. In the settings panel, click General under the Workspace section. Scroll down until you see Export All Workspace Content, then click the button for Export All Workspace Content. When the export options appear, select HTML again as the format, then click Export. Notion will begin preparing the full workspace backup. After a moment, you'll see a confirmation message telling you that a download link will be sent to your email address. Open your inbox and look for the message from Notion about your workspace export. Once it arrives, you should also see that the export is tied to your current account. Open the email and click the download link to save the full workspace zip file to your computer. At this point, your main backup is complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Go ahead and try the same process on your own setup so you're comfortable doing it anytime you need. Exporting individual pages is perfect for quick backups, while exporting the full workspace gives you broader protection. Doing both regularly is a smart habit if you use Notion for notes, projects, or important documentation. That's basically it, and you've successfully exported and backed up your Notion data. Congratulations!